In this video, we'll show you how to turn off Android Auto completely on your Android phone. So to do this, first head to the Settings app. Now tap on the search option and then search for Android Auto. Now select the first result. Now tap on Android Auto again. So this will open this particular menu. Here you need to go to this Vehicles section. Now you can remove all the vehicles that you have added one by one, or you can tap this three dot icon and then select forget all devices and then click on OK to confirm. Once you have disabled this, Android Auto will no longer work. You can also prevent Android Auto from starting automatically using these options. However, this doesn't disable Android Auto completely, so you might see a notification here or there. If you want to disable it completely, go back to the main settings page, scroll all the way down and then tap on apps. Now here you need to find Android Auto. Now tap the force stop option and then select OK. Now here select the disable option and then select disable app again to confirm. Once you do this, Android Auto will be disabled completely and you won't be bothered by it.